Students, now we discuss the example and in-text question of NCERT books. The first example means example 2.1. Calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol in a solution containing 20% of C2H6O2 by mass. As we know that in any solution 20% volume of C2H6O2, it means 20% C2H6O2 and 80% water. So at first we calculate the molar mass of C2H6O2. What is a molar mass? Molar mass means sum of atomic mass. Then molar mass of C2H6O2 equal to 62 gram. How can we calculate? Atomic mass of carbon into 2, atomic mass of hydrogen into 6, and atomic mass of oxygen into 2. So the molar mass of C2H6O2 is 62 gram. Then moles, we know that moles means given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 20, molar mass 62, the moles 0.322 mole. Moles of water, given mass 80 gram and molar mass 18, then its value 4.44. Then what is the mole fraction of glycol? Moles of C2H6O2 upon moles of C2H6O2 plus mole of H2O means moles of first upon total moles is its mole fraction. Then the mole fraction of ethylene glycol is 0.668. Similarly, water, moles of water upon total moles equal to 0.932. Okay, this is example number first. And also in example number 2.2, calculate the molarity of solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml solution. As we know that at first we calculate the moles of NaOH. Moles of NaOH means moles of NaOH, given mass 5 gram, molar mass of NaOH. As we know that Na means 23 plus 16 plus 1 equal to 40. Then 5 gram upon 40, it means 0.125 mole. Molarity means moles upon total moles of solution. Moles 0.125, total mole 450 ml. We converted into liter, it means multiplied by 1000, then its value 0.278 mole. These are two different examples. In next, calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Okay, same as at first we calculate the molar mass of C2H4O2, its moles, and after that the molality of C2H5O2 moles upon value in kg. So it's 0.0417 mole into 1000 upon 75 gram, and its value is 0.556 mole kg inverse. These are examples. And now in text questions, the first one, calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. So what is question? Calculate the mass percentage of benzene. We know very well mass percentage means mass of benzene C6H6 upon total mass of solution. Mass of solution multiplied by 100 equal to 22 upon 144 is equal to 144 into 100 means at least 15 point something, 15.2. This is your first in text question. Second, Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass of carbon tetrachloride. In previous exemplar we also solve these type of questions. So in this question, at first we take the molar mass of both substance, that is carbon tetrachloride and benzene. So at first the moles of benzene means C6H6, given mass 30 by molar mass of benzene 78, its moles 0.38, and moles of CCl4 means if 30% is benzene, then 70% of CCl4, it means 70 by CCl4 molar mass 154 equal to 0.45. Okay, then mole fraction. What is mole fraction of benzene? Mole fraction of benzene Na upon Na plus Nb. It means benzene, moles of benzene is 0.38 upon 0.38 plus 0.45, 0.38 plus 0.45 equal to 0.46. This is our second question, and also we can solve all questions. Next questions, calculate the molarity of each of following solutions. I hope you all done all questions. If you have any problem, then you comment in comment box. Calculate the molarity of each following solutions. Solutions: A 30 gram of CONH3 twice means cobalt nitrate. Formula are same as in previous. Molarity means M equal WB multiplied by 1000 upon MB into V. Okay, by this formula we calculate the molarity. In second B, 30 ml of 0.5 mole H2O support diluted in 500 ml. Also we take this formula, M equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. Okay, our next, calculate the mass of urea required in making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar equation solution. In this question we take also same type of formula, that is M equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. Okay students, measure these values. If any problem, then you comment in our comment box. I completed this topic here, and next topic we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.